So today I'm going to show you an interesting recipe on beetroot rasam. I'm going to start with chopping up 2 beetroots into big chunks. Just cut them into 4 pieces. And now I'm going to add these chunks into the pressure cooker. So basically I'm just going to pressure cook a few ingredients. So beetroot goes in first. I'm also going to add in 1 tomato that I've roughly chopped. Let's add in 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, half a green chilli roughly chopped, and 2 cups of water. Cover it. Turn on the flame and let this cook for around 4 whistles on high flame. So I cooked it for 5 whistles and I've turned off the flame and let the pressure cooker cool down completely before you open it. Now I'm going to open this. You should wait for a few minutes for it to cool down before you start grinding it. This is slightly cooled down, not completely, but I'm going to start grinding this. Be very careful, it's going to fly everywhere. Make sure you grind this into a smooth puree, and if you feel the need to add a little water and sieve it, you can do so. I'm not going to sieve it, but I'm going to add at least another cup of water. Next, I'm going to add in all the seasoning ingredients. So I have turmeric powder, just 1/4 teaspoon, just for the medicinal property of it. Red chilli powder, around 1/4 teaspoon. Rasam powder, 1 teaspoon. And salt to taste. Let's put this back to boil. If you're drinking rasam like a soup, then make sure you strain this. But if you're eating it with rice, then the little bit of pulp is okay. But make sure you do this before doing the tadka. So now I'm going to start with doing the tadka. So let's place this little pan on the other flame. For the tadka, heat a tablespoon of oil. You can even use coconut oil if you have some. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Also, a tablespoon of white lentil or urad dal. Let the urad dal turn brown. And now into this, I'm going to add in a few curry leaves. Also half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Let's add this into the rasam. I'm also going to add in a few more ingredients. So I have some tamarind pulp here. So as per your liking, I like it a little sour. So I'm going to add in around 2 tablespoons. This has been boiling and it's ready. So I'm going to turn off the flame and add in some coriander leaves, just a little bit, and some grated coconut. So the beetroot rasam is ready to drink.